Tonley Machinery Washing Machine Heater Production Line is our newly developed automatic production line. It automatically connects MGO powder filling, upper plug assembling, feeding with high-pot test, rolling, resistance value and tube length test, turning, plug removing, pin cutting, MGO powder digging, partial annealing, polishing, M-shape bending clamping and hydraulic pressing for forming, etc. This line only needs one person for operation and maintenance. This saves a lot of labor costs.